So you are thinking to buy next lens. In this video, I will show you the best lens you will get. Hello guys, my name is Kishore and you're watching my channel. The best lens you can buy would be the Canon 50mm STM f1.8 lens. Number one reason it is best is it is cheap and add a great value to your photography and cinematography business. It cost only $125, and if I talk in Kuwaiti dinar, it cost only 29 Kuwaiti dinar. So because I am in Kuwait, I bought this lens in 29 KD only. The number two reason is great for low light, because it goes up to aperture of 1.8, which means there is a great source of light going through your lens, which means of course you can shoot a great photos at night, and you can shoot also videos at night. So there is no chance of underexposed photos or videos with this lens. The number three reason is it gives a professional bokeh. Because it have a high aperture, it gives a professional look DSLR image where your background is blurred and the subject is in focus, which means the lens is great. The number four reason is it is comfortable. Yes, it is comfortable because you can carry it wherever you go. Because of its build quality, it is very small, which means it fits everywhere in your camera bag, and it's comfortable. You can carry and go wherever you want. The number five reason is it makes you hardworking. When I'm talking about this one, if you try this lens, you will be a great photographer because it don't have the zooming features. So you need to work and make your composition to get a great photos. That means you need to put a lot of effort. If you have a zoom lens, you will just sit at one position and you will just zoom. But if you use this lens, you will be making your composition and walking around the subject. So which means you know the different kind of composition. You are learning about the composition with this lens. So of course, if you try, this lens will make you a great photographer. After this lens, when you upgrade to another lens, which means you have learned something from this lens, so when you apply to that lens, it gives you more space. You will be upgrading your knowledge and you will be good, and you will be a better photographer and videographer. So that all are my pros. And if I talk about the cons, means the disadvantage of this lens is I'm using this one for 3 to 4 months now. I haven't found anything, but I have only found one thing, because I love shooting videos. So for video, the stabilizer is very important to avoid shaky footage. So because this lens don't have the image stabilization, so it's very hard to stabilize the footage when we are shooting the video. So the only disadvantage I find in this lens is it don't have the image stabilization. That's it for today's video guys, and yes, if you like this video, don't forget to give thumbs up, and yes, if you aren't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. I come up with different kind of topics every Monday, and yes, as always, see you guys in my next video. Peace off.